Hey everybody, this is Andrew and welcome to part number 4 of building a basic responsive email. So what we did last time was add a class so this image would adjust to any resolution below 480 pixels. And as you can see right here, that is working. Also the text that is liquid, the logo remains the same. But now we have this issue right here. These images are not aligning as we want them to. You see they're still on the left and the right, and they're also pretty small. They're keeping the 250 pixel resolution. So what we're going to do to fix that is use both of the classes that we have set so far. So let me go ahead and tell you why. The first one is the mobile width. Remember that we created two of these tables that are stacked here, but since we aligned them left and right, they appear in line. What we need to do is tell those tables that instead of being 250 pixels, we need them to be 100% of the width of the container. So we're going to go ahead and add the class mobile width to the first one, and right here, class mobile width to the second one. So if we do that, the containers are going to align, as you can see right here, but the images are still small. So now we're going to use the second class that we created, set images 100, and we're going to apply it to the image tag itself, just like we did with the here image. So class set images 100 there, and class right here. And when we go ahead and refresh that, guess what? Boom. Now we have larger images that adjust to any resolution before the 480 media query right there. Okay, so that's actually the main construction of the responsive email. There are a couple of details that I'm going to take care of because I think are important. For example, whenever you reach a lower resolution like this, the space on the sides of the images is still too large, and that's because it's still respecting the 25 pixels that we have here on the paddings. So what I'm going to do for that is create a class that shrinks that space on the sides whenever we hit mobile. Let me just go ahead and copy this, and I'm going to go ahead and call it mobile sides. Yeah. And for that, we're going to go ahead and add a padding left of 10 pixels and a padding right of 10 pixels. I'm missing this here. Okay, so mobile sides, that is the class that we just set, and I'm going to apply it right here on the table data that contains all those paddings. So class and mobile sides. So this is what's going to happen. The sides are now smaller and mobile. The images look larger, but there's still a comfortable space there. Here in the disclaimer, we're looking good, and this text is also liquid. Okay, so we're looking good with the email itself. What I'm going to do now is make sure I get a link for you guys so you can download this code. And I'm about to show you some testing on a Litmus account, which is a service that allows you to test your emails on a lot of email clients. So I'll go ahead and do that so you can see this design is actually compatible with pretty much all email clients out there. You're going to see how it stacks on mobile and then it stays like this on desktop. I do want to reiterate that this is just one way to create the responsive email. There are plenty of ways to do it. People have different techniques, but this one works for me and hopefully it works for you too. If you have any questions or any comments, maybe you saw something that could be improved. If you have any issue maybe by building this, please leave it in the comments. Thank you for watching. See you next time.